Hey, welcome back to BISP Solutions. If you're here to level up your Oracle EPM skills, you're in exactly the right place. In today's video, we are automating a complete profit after tax calculation inside Oracle EPBCS using a clean, optimized Essbase Calc script. And along the way, I'll also show you a common mistake in PAT scripts and exactly how to fix it the right way. Let's get into it.
Let's set the scene. A company is running their forecast scenario in Oracle Planning. The entity is set to no entity, meaning this is a consolidated entity-independent view. The time period? January FY25. Their inputs are straightforward. Net sales, $500,000. COGS, $200,000. Operating expenses, $150,000. Tax rate, 5%. From these four inputs, the business needs four outputs calculated automatically. 1. Gross profit. 2. PBT, profit before tax. 3. Tax amount. 4. PAT, profit after tax. One calc script handles all four. Let's understand the logic.
Level 1. Gross profit. Net sales minus COGS. 500,000 minus 200,000. Gross profit is 300,000. After paying for what you sold, 3 lakh rupees remaining. Level 2. PBT. Gross profit minus operating expenses. 300,000 minus 150,000. PBT is 150,000. The profit earned before the government takes its share. Tax rate is 5%, written as 0.05. 150,000 multiplied by 0.05, tax amount is 7,500. In production, use a substitution variable like tax rate so the rate can change without editing code. Level 4, PAT, PBT minus tax amount. 150,000 minus 7,500, PAT is 142,500. The number that goes to shareholders, the number that drives every major financial decision.
Set AGG missing on. Without this, one empty cell, your entire P&L goes blank. Critical spelling, AGG MISSSG. Fix. Forecast and no entity. Matches our smart view exactly. Only data at this intersection gets calculated. Everything outside, untouched. This is what makes Essbase scripts efficient and safe. Line 1. Gross underscore profit. Net sales minus COGS. 500,000 minus 200,000. Gross profit returns 300,000. Exactly what we see in the smart view output. Line 2. PBT. Gross profit minus operating expenses. 300,000 minus 150,000. PBT is 150,000. The output of line 1 becomes the input of line 2, the waterfall in the code. Line 3, tax amount. PBT multiplied by 0.05. 150,000 times 0.05, tax amount is 7,500. About 0.05, hard-coded for 5%. Production-ready version uses tax rate. Change the variable, every calculation updates. No code edits, no human error. Line 4, PAT, PBT minus tax amount. 150,000 minus 7,500, PAT is 142,500. Validated right there in our smart view. And any fix closes the fix block. Every fix must have its end fix, no exceptions.
Forecast scenario. Working version, USD, no entity, January FY25. Net sales, 500,000. COGS, 200,000. Gross profit, 300,000. Operating expenses, 150,000. PBT, 150,000. Tax amount, 7,500. PAT, 142,500. Every single output, exactly what our logic predicted. No manual calculations, no formula errors, just one clean Essbase script, doing the heavy lifting automatically. That is the power of Oracle EPBCS. 4 raw inputs: net sales, COGS, operating expenses, tax rate. One fully automated, validated PAT calculation running inside Oracle EPBCS. Here's what we covered today. Financial waterfall, smart view validation, hard-coded versus substitution variable, every line explained.
Hit like. It helps BISP Solutions reach more Oracle EPM professionals. Comment what use case you want next. Join the BISP Solutions community. Real Oracle EPM challenges broken down simply. See you in the next one.